the demand is Interactive Learning Center this anniversary celebration. 10 years ago, this facility was a dream. Together with members of the Committee on Instruction, we brainstormed with the idea of establishing a facility that will become an academic resource center for the faculty. Around that time, the students were provided with the Learning Resource Center. This is housing in Camia. Fortunately, the UP administration at that time was also planning a facility to support the newly approved revitalized general education program, headed by our no less than our friend here, Dr. Jokno, and our former President Jimenez. Putting the dream and the plan for the RGF, the Diliman Interactive Learning Center was born. Pioneering on a new path was challenging. No program and no personnel did not hinder the spirit, even the support of the UP system administration through boosted money and a wish list for equipment which were all provided. While UP Diliman provided the budget for its day-to-day operations and personnel. Diliman Interactive Learning Center was inaugurated in October 6, 2003. It became the model for the 5 other interactive learning centers in the UP system. Being the first interactive learning center in the UP system, it gave us the insight to innovate on how to integrate technology into teaching. It was clear from the beginning that DIL's focus is not the hard technology alone, but more importantly, the soft technology.